How to transfer TikTok drafts to new phone. How to transfer TikTok drafts to new. Transferring your TikTok drafts from one phone to another can be a tricky because TikTok does not offer a direct way to transfer drafts. But here are some workarounds you can try. So let's get started. First of all, open the TikTok app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your TikTok account. Once inside the TikTok app, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your profile section. Once in your profile, simply tap on the draft to view all your saved drafts. Once you tap on the draft, you will get to see all your drafts. Now simply choose or open the draft you want to save. Now tap on the next option available at the bottom right corner of your screen. And before publishing, select who can view this video. And once you tap on it, set it to private, only you, then post it. Tap post to upload this video privately. Once the video is uploaded, tap on the profile at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your profile section. Now here tap on the lock icon to see the private videos. Now what you can do is you can post all the drafts to the private and log in with this account in the new device, and in the private section you can find all your drafts. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.